Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Lofted bus base. My previous tutorial, I treated swept bus base, self bus base, and excluded bus base, and they are excluded code also. So to use Lofted bus base, you need at least two profile, and then you will use the feature. Also, you also need guide curve, but not all the time. But for your shape to be smooth, you need lofted guide curve at times also. So to use lofted bus base, let's demonstrate that now. The first thing I'm going to do is make a sketch. So this midpoint. So let me just show a line. So like this. Okay, let me give diameter radius of 2. Now on 3 construction. So I have to close this open space. Done. I also make another sketch, which is the second sketch. I'm supposed to, okay, before this, I will make a guide curve. Let's say also also 60, or let's say 50. So I think this dimension is irrelevant. So let's add relationship, this point, coincidence, and also coincidence. So that's good. And we need to close this sketch also using this straight line. So this is the second profile. Let me enter the sketch again and edit this line. This needs to be changed to construction line. So now I have two profile now. Need to use the feature. So I will select this side, select this side. What you will notice is that nothing is coming up because of this point. This point is picked from this profile, while this point is picked from this profile. So nothing will come up. Pick this point and drag to this point, and you see this is what we have. It's coming up now. Let's say you pick this point and drag to the other side, it won't show again. You have to pick it and they have to start at the same point. So to avoid that mistake, just click this side and also click this side. It will pick the point itself. So now this is what we have. This guide curve, I don't have a sketch that I can use as guide curve. Let me, so now see what we have. This side is just straight, but let's say we want something like this. We need guide curve, and we are going to do that now. I'm going to delete the feature. So which line, which plane is perpendicular to this surface? That's front plane, isn't it? So I'm going to create, let's say, two more planes, 30. Let's just say, okay, 30 or 35. The mid plane, oh, mistake, it should be parallel. 35. Okay, just one. I'm creating another one also, which is 35 also. Okay, now I'll use this three plane for my guide curve. So let's say I want a perfect something like this, and then I'm going to there's no straight line. So this point, tangent, okay, drag up, and this tangent. So these lines for construction. So I'm going to add relationship. Without this relationship, it won't work. So make sure it is piercing this sketch, this point, piercing this sketch also. Good. This is the condition that will make it work. Okay. So now also this, let's repeat the same procedure, which is this. Okay. From here also. So add the same relationship, which is tangent relationship. This tangent relationship, like this up. Construction, and this should be horizontal. So now edge, that point and here, pierce this point, pierce. Okay, the last one I will purposely not add pierce relationship so that you can see what will happen to the guide curve to work. So now think this. Okay, tangent, tangent, this place. I'm not going to add this pierce relationship, so I will delete this and Okay, you see, it can go up anywhere. So now let's leave it this way and try to use our, let me hide this plane and try to use lofted bus base. Now here, selecting this, selecting this. So our guide curve, select this first profile. You see, let me select it. See the difference. Come into this profile, this, this last one. See what the last one is bringing. Guide curve. Say okay. Let's see if it's going to work. Oh, okay, it worked. I know why it worked, because there was a relationship between the first sketch and this last sketch. If not, it won't work. So let's modify um let's modify the sketch, this last, which is this, because I added leadership. You see, they aligned. That was because, that was the reason why it worked. Let me just show and then try to try the, let me just do this, but it should work. Okay. Okay. Another method to achieve something similar. Let's try using this these curves as our shape those ways. To this, and guide curve as this, this. You see, it won't work. That's because these sketch are open sketch, they are not closed. So it will not work. Let's assume you want to use those sketch as the swift post based profile, not a sketch guide. You need to close it this way. Okay, that's the first sketch. Second sketch. Okay, the last one. So now think this line also has to be edited. So before that, let's try to use that. Let's try to use these three features. So now select here. You see the difference. You see, wait. Guide curve, guide curve. Then this is what we have. This box. So let's say you want to start from this point. Let's see if we can register that point directly. This point. See, This is not working. So what I can just do is go to sketch, 3D sketch. Let's see and add points this edge. Okay, again 3D sketch, add points to this vertex. So let's see what we have for them. Let's go to feature, then okay, okay, okay. That point is not selected. Think we need to check. Okay, okay, this point. Okay, point is not added there. Edit the sketch point. Okay, so we have it here. So this first point was selected. This second point, see this, this, and then lastly this point. So our point is not selected, and select using. Okay, don't know why it's not selecting. Should be selected. Okay, okay. Let's see what the what's the cause. With sketch. Yes, this is there. This can be used. Yeah, first point. Okay, let's try. Let's check if it will work out now. So, this first one is being selected. I don't know why this was is not being registered. Let me try to create another one. Okay, 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 good. Now this is what we have, and then use this as a grade call. Okay, this is not even this is not the shape we are expecting. So what can be the cause? Let's check the first score. So shrimp is down because probably it was close. And then the second, let's edit this. Let's trim this side. Uh, okay. So think some relation it affected some relationship. These points. So that's why. Let's say you need to work. Okay. Let's try to pick from here. You see the difference? So that's the difference. Let's try to, and then is it. You have a perfect shape that we want. So this will be the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Kindly share my video and like and comment about the video.